Mia? What are you doing? Can you not get in the toilet for the water? Huh? Hold on. Are you thirsty? Hey, Mia, why don't you just go drink from the bowl? Hey, what are you doing? Mia, you're so silly. Come on, Mia. Go drink from the bowl. Nope, don't play with the toilet paper. Why don't you just drink from the bowl, silly? She can't get the water, she's freaking out. Yeah, bark at the water, it'll come out at you. Okay, hold on.